What's the meaning of allomorph? Allomorph. 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 Allomorph.
An allomorph is a variant pronunciation or morphological form of a word. In linguistics, it refers to the different forms that a morpheme, the smallest unit of meaning in a language, can take, depending on its context or the grammatical rules of the language. An example of an allomorph is the plural morpheme s in English, which can be pronounced as either /s//c/ or /is/ depending on the ending sound of the singular noun it attaches to. Allomorphy is an important concept in understanding the morphology and phonology of languages.